Hi, I'm Rebekah Oomen, and I'm a co-chair of the Ethical, Legal, and Social Issues Committee, otherwise known as ELSI. We are many people who contribute to the work I'll be talking about today, but we're actually one of the smallest ERGA committees and have a large responsibility towards ERGA's mission, so we're always looking for new members to join us. If you want to get involved or have any questions or concerns related to ethical, legal, or social issues, you can reach us at elsi@erga-biodiversity.eu, which will go out to our chair, Anne McCartney, as well as Ellen Abuzan and myself. What keeps ELSI busy is the fact that ethical, legal, and social issues are embedded in all other ERGA committees, as well as in ERGA governance and functioning as a whole. For example, we work with the Sampling Committee to make sure samples are collected according to international legislation such as the Nagoya Protocol, which is aimed at preventing so-called helicopter science and ensures that nations benefit from their own natural resources. We've also worked to associate samples with their traditional ecological knowledge as part of the sample metadata manifest. This information is now embedded in the Sample Code of Practice and Sample Manifest SOP. On the other hand, we help ensure that both personal data and sequence data is managed legally and ethically by developing a privacy notice and a data sharing policy. The ERGA privacy notice, which all members sign, ensures that personal data is stored according to EU rules called GDPR. This allows ERGA to collect information that's important for the community to be able to tailor its activities to the needs of the community, as well as to assess representation within the community. ELSI is also charged with organizational governance, which includes things like creating the code of conduct and advising on ERGA bylaws. So some of our plans for 2022 include building and solidifying long-term partnerships with Sami and local contexts, a recently funded project to include Indigenous peoples of Europe in ERGA activities from the outset. We will also create guidelines for developing a GDPR compliant survey and create a genomic data sharing policy survey. We have a diversity, equity, inclusion, and justice subcommittee developing a survey related to those issues. And we will soon review the new ERGA bylaws. So welcome to ERGA, and we look forward to meeting you at ELSI. You can follow our channel on Keybase.